my computer is 11 years old, and I am searching for a new computer. So I'm making this video for me, but I want to share the information I found with you. What is the best laptop computer to buy for affiliate marketing? I'm an affiliate marketer, so that's why I'm looking for that. It needs to be a computer that can handle the needs of our customers and also can handle the needs for myself. So the information I looked at was from tech leaders and experts, as well as tech industry leaders. They looked at 21 different laptops and tested in this study. Alllaptops.com did the study. The top 5 that they picked were the following, and for the following reasons. The most powerful laptop for affiliate marketers was the Apple MacBook Pro. The best laptop for affiliate marketers was the Dell XPS13. The best gaming laptop for affiliate marketers was the ASUS ROG STRX SCAR15. Couldn't pronounce those words. The best portable laptop for affiliate marketers was the Dell Latitude 3520. And the best budget laptop for affiliate marketers was the HP 17. I want to go back to the Apple MacBook Pro. It's fast and it's efficient. It was reliable and it had a great design, and it had a great display, and the keyboard was arranged properly and nicely, and it was affordable. So that's all I wanted to tell you. This is what is the best laptop that I found was the MacBook Pro. And that's one that I'll probably be buying. I just hope that this information will help you. As an affiliate marketer, I have some business opportunities that are really good. The community I'm in is a great group of people, and the programs they have, it's very simple. It's the commissions are relatively high, and they're 80%, and it's residual income. So if you're interested in learning more, look below. But last and least, but not least, I want to ask you to check whether you like the video or not. Share it if possible. Make comment and subscribe to my channel. If I wanted to let you know that this is kind of my first video, or one of my first videos doing this. So I wanted to try this, and have a great day.